Think about them. All right. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Here we go. Why do I feel this way? My thoughts I can't convey. I remember every touch where we've laid. Tell me, is this just a dream? I see your silhouette in the night, then I look again, it's just my blind. I'm having troubles trusting my own eyes. Baby, your eyes and smile drive me wild, but it's the soul for me. Your eyes and smile drive me wild. It's the things you do when no one knows. You give your soul to me. Our love is accessible after all this time, even after we get old and pass our prime. Pass our prime. Your smell, your touch, the way you love me too much is love or lust. I don't care, if it's just a dream. 'Cause your eyes and smile drive me wild, but it's the soul for me. Your eyes and smile drive me wild. It's the things you do when no one knows. You give your soul to me. And I'm gonna have a solo. We're gonna start off with Jared here. He's my lovely bass player. Alright, so for this next part, we're gonna do a little crowd interaction. The words are, your eyes, your smile drive me wild, but it's the soul for me. Y'all feel that? Y'all feel that a little bit? A little bit? Alright, so we're gonna sing it together. Y'all ready? Y'all don't sound like y'all ready. Okay, here we go. You ready? Everybody together. Your eyes and smile drive me wild, but it's the soul for me. Your eyes and smile drive me wild, but it's the things you do when no one knows. You give your soul to me. One more time, everybody sing it. Your eyes and smile drive me wild, but it's your eyes and smile drive me wild, but it's the things you do when no one knows. You give your soul to me. Y'all did good. Y'all did good. That was good. That was good. All right. So that was soul. The next song we're gonna do, I forgot. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We're gonna do Enough for That. Bear with me. It's a good song, I promise. Bear with me. So Enough for That. I basically wrote this song just to say, hey, you don't want a relationship and you just want to be, buddies. I got enough for that, I think I could do that. Sometimes that's all you want from somebody, but I'm not judging you, because I'm not judging myself, okay? Love you too, man. You guys, these are my line sisters over here. I'm a part of a woo, I'm a part of an organization. Sigma Alpha Iota is a music fraternity for women, and we specialize in smacking the music. You feel me? International, worldwide. So we're gonna do enough for that, and we're gonna get into it. Ooh. All right, here we go. Is that lust on your lip? 'Cause I don't see a trusting bone in your body. You've got your hands on my hips. Boy, I'ma take it nice and slow. Yeah, you freaky thing, you making love in your stang 96. Yeah, outside a party in the loop. You pulled the top down and I'm on top now, riding in this two-door coupe. Yeah, baby, let's make love, 'cause we don't need no trust for that. You just want some satisfaction, baby. Well, I've got enough for that. Yeah, I don't know what you had before you met me. No, I don't. But it doesn't even matter. You say you never had a girl who'll take her time. So let me change your mind. Yeah, baby, let's make love. Let's make love, 'cause we don't need no trust for that. Trust for that. You just want some satisfaction, baby. Yeah, and I've got enough for that. And I'ma slide it back on over to Jared. No trust for that. Yeah, so you guys, that was enough for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like the song. It's a little saucy, just a little bit. Next, I'm going to be playing my 2 songs that are out on all platforms. The first one is called Is It? And I did this song with my lovely friend Reverend here. Get a stool. Get that stool, sir. All right. This song is a crowd participation as well. Some of you know it, and some of you don't, and that's okay. Because if you don't know, you're gonna love it. I promise. This song is about, having all of your baggage, your relationship, and being able to look at your partner and say, hey, I got baggage. Love me. You know? But sometimes it can be. You agree?
Indeed.
Indubitably.
Indubitably?
Yes.
Yes.
So basically, this is about having, anxiety. If you have, basically anything in your day-to-day life that you go through, and you just want somebody to accept you for that. I wrote this when it was very hard for me to be in a relationship, and I just, I'm a lover, not, and I love to love. And at the time, I was just like, I got all this baggage, and I'm fixing it, but dang, are you gonna love me? You love me? Sure you love me? I don't know if you love me. So, we made this song, because we were feeling the same way, about two different people. And I think you guys will like it. This is one of my favorite, it is my favorite song that's out. Yeah, here we go. You guys ready? Yeah. I wake up, you're still here. Something about it just ain't right. I'm used to the toxicity, not used to these people getting me deep in my vicinity. But are you really feeling me? What's showing? Cause I'm not gonna be on Instagram searching your mentions, catching feelings cause you don't feel the same way. No, you don't the same way. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? Tell me, can you handle these insecurities? Are you feeling me to infinity? Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? Tell me, can you handle these insecurities? Are you feeling me? What?
Yeah. But why you be thinking I'm just I call you my blessing, but you call it. I try to move forward, but feel like I'm stuck and you push me away when I keep it a buck. What kind of man wouldn't give you his all and keep you from falling? Try to fight, I just look for revolve, cause you my world. If my life was a clam, then you be the pearl. Imagine I hit you and leave. Imagine I hit you and leave you to grieve. Hard on your sleeve, all of the fears turn reality cause of the stuff you believe. But listen, I'm yours. Just look at my loving and see how it pours. Don't want no one else in my corner for sure. One spot in my heart and it's you at
Tell me that I'm crazy or I'm psycho. Saddle up, I'll take you all day. Yo, snatch your soul, I just might give it back to you. You don't know what to do with me, do ya? Is it too much for ya? Is it too much for ya? Tell me, can you handle these insecurities? Are you feeling me? One more time, and everybody gonna sing it. Is it too much for ya? Is it too much for ya? Tell me, can you handle these insecurities? Are you feeling me to infinity? Yeah, that was a little nice, All right, that was great. I'm so proud of you. That's a part of my best friend squad. Yeah, I love that song. I wrote it in, when did I write that song? Yeah. Huh? I wrote that I met y'all in 2019? Sheesh. It was spring. There we go. Wrote that in spring 2020. That was amazing, right? I had amazing co-writers. Prophet, Blitziana, and Reverend. It was great. A lovely time collabing. The last song we're gonna do is called Superheroes. It is my first song I ever put out, and I've been, dreading doing this song you know what? I like the song. I've been acting like I don't like it. So, I'm gonna perform it for you guys, and I hope you like it. Yeah. I don't know the words. I really forgot them. Wow, I've never performed this before. What? Wow, you know the words. I love you, man. All you had to say was all, but I love you. All right, here we go. Yeah. Yeah. All my life I've been searching for a superhero, someone to see through my flaws and catch me when I fall. Even 1,000 men can't hold me down like you do, but baby, you do. Hold me well. No cape, but them glasses kinda cute. I got X-ray vision too. Yeah, but I ain't worried about that, dude. It's all about you. Who said superheroes aren't real? 'Cause it makes me feel so real. I do. Oh, your love so real. Who said superheroes aren't real? 'Cause it makes me feel so real. I do. Oh, your love so real. All my life I've been this damsel in distress. I'm sick of this mess. You sick of it? 'Cause I'm sick of this mess. Yeah. My face to the pavement. I guess this is my payment for showing you some love. Yeah. Oh. I open my eyes to a new world. No lies or ties with a new girl in a new city, even if she's kinda pretty. When I call, you come running, and I don't have to go out hunting, looking for someone who can take a risk on a brand new wife and maybe 2 kids. Oh, who said superheroes aren't real? 'Cause it makes me feel so real. I do. Oh, your love so real. Who said superheroes aren't real? 'Cause it makes me feel so real. I do. Oh, your love so real. The capes, the drapes, the curtains, I'm hurting no longer when I'm with you. 'Cause you're my superhero, boo. Yeah, so that's superheroes. I love that song. I hope you guys enjoyed my set. And I had a great time singing for you guys. You guys are great. You guys are jazzing, you're snazzing. And I hope you guys, get a chance to go out, listen to my music. I am on all streaming platforms. And I am Velvet K. Thank you. Woo! Woo! Mr. Tolbert! Can we get some claps for Mr. Tolbert for playing piano? Yes, Mr. Tolbert. Yes. He's great. I really wanted him to play sax, because y'all, him on saxophone? You ain't never seen somebody play sax like that, okay? It's real saxy. Okay, I'm done with the corny jokes. Okay.
All right, give it up for Velvet K. Yes, 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 yes. So the engineer in me has to ask, how's it sound out there? Okay, it sounds balanced and all that good stuff. All right, this is like the second to last time y'all get to tell me whether or not something's too loud, not enough. All right, so we're gonna move on as if it works. All right, so apparently we have a first door prize from Mr. James Hayes. Is Mr. James Hayes in the